Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program that uses ng-init directive that will compute the difference in the two given numbers and display the result on the screen. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, supporters, and subscribers in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos, sharing, and most importantly by subscribing. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. So we have here the problem, machine problem. Write a program that uses ng-init directive that will compute the difference in the two given numbers and display the result on the screen. Okay, so make sure that AngularJS, that means that JS is also existing in the folder. So we have here several comments, and then the title, difference of two numbers using ng-init in AngularJS. We have here the body, font family Arial, font size 25px, font weight bold. And then here we are including the library file of AngularJS, that means the JS. Div ng-app, ng-init, val_1, 25, and 10. These two variables declaration. And then we have here the table, the title, difference of two numbers using ng-init in AngularJS, and then we display the val_1 and val_2, and then we have here the expression val_1 minus val_2. Enclose the div, the body, and HTML. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my website. We have here the result, difference of two numbers using ng-init in AngularJS. The difference between 25 and 10 is 15. If we try to change the value here, let's say we have 100, and then we have here 25. Let us save, go to our Mozilla browser, refresh. So difference of two numbers using ng-init in AngularJS, the difference between 100 and 25 is 75. That's it, that's simple. So this is the end of our tutorial video on difference of two numbers using ng-init in AngularJS. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.